To explain my idea, I have made a simplified model of a house that has windows and a balcony not protected from occasional fall of persons, animals, and objects. Let us adjust them with large boxes made of light materials such as aluminum, for example, post on resistant supporting structures and attach in a secure mode below windows and on external boards of balconies. Filled with soil, they will weigh not so much, up to 1 or 200 kilograms distributed on large surfaces, and will prevent from accidents. The photos of flowers were made of that cultivated by me on balconies according to the large boxes concept. The principle of a garden in this case is an integral gardening, and not divided in many little pots, in this mode permitting to have a natural farming approach. This concept permits also to create a beautiful gardens on demand and to develop the exchange. So let us create our garden at home.